Hi guys, today we'll write a function rectangle that takes in a list of strings and print the following rectangular pattern. So notice that strings that are not long enough will have the star characters added behind. So here our longest is going to be orange, and because pear is not long enough to form a perfect rectangle, 2 stars will be added behind pear. So similarly here, because pineapple is the longest and the rest are shorter than pineapple, the relevant number of stars will be added behind to the rest of the strings to be able to print this rectangle. Do pause this video for a short while to give this a go. Alright, before we jump right into the code, let's try to find some patterns within this pattern. So the first thing we can notice here is that all of their lengths are going to be equal to pineapple's length. Because pineapple is the longest fruit in the list, we first need to find the length of the longest fruit in the list. So let's define rectangle, and we are going to take in a list of strings. So first thing we need to do is we need to find the length of the longest string in the list. So we can do this using the max function, equals to max strings and key is equals to length. So what's happening here is we are finding the largest string but using the length as the key. So the max function will actually look for the string with the longest length, which happens to be pineapple over here. So if we print this, we are currently going to get a string. Let me show you here. So rectangle, add it here. Okay, let's print rectangle. Right? So and we are going to get pineapple. So what we are interested in is actually the length of pineapple. So we just use the length function to get the length. And here we have it. So next thing we need to print our strings. So for string in strings, we are going to print string first. And we are going to get this, but realize that we need to add our stars. And we can just do this. So string plus star times a certain number. So this certain number is going to be the max length minus the length of the current string. And if we run this, we are going to get our pattern. So let's change the input and check what happens. Yep. Alright, let's see if this works too. Yep, and there we have it, the solution to this question.